السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. Praises to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that has been giving us a lot of ni'mah. Even if we counted uh, one by one, we couldn't. Peace and salutation to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that has guided human life from the darkness era into the right way we call Islam. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a big IT problems, not just the big IT problems, but the solution to solve it all. I'm not the type of guy who just kind of likes to complain and but doesn't really thinks about the solution to solve it all. Built different. Okay, so let me interpret to you guys how the problem. What's the problem? So here we have two PCs, two computers, two laptop, whatever device you're using. And the problem is that this PC, the PC2 can't connect to PC3. That's a big problem. But we can solve it by connecting them using the copper crossover cable. So we'll connect them like so, and and we'll set their IPs like so, and there you go. Problem solved, baby. This PC can connect to this PC. Let's check that by actually pinging the another PC. Ping 10.10.10.2. There you go. Both the PCs are connected. But what if there's another PC that wants to connect to each of these PC? Like, the PC just don't want to get left out. But the thing is that there's no other slot for this PC or this PC to connect to the new PC. So the new PC gets left out. That's a problem. But let's solve it, y'all. Let's solve it together. We can solve this problem by adding network devices. In this particular occasion, in this particular scene, we'll we'll add in a switch. A switch. A switch is one of the network component that can interconnect much PC into a network. Yes, that is really cool. We can make our network bigger rather than just having two pieces interconnected to each other. We can have a bunch of PCs. Wow, that is so cute. That is so cool. So we'll connect each of the PC to the networking device called a switch, and by connecting them to a switch, all of the PC gets into a network segment uh or a network. There there are they are classified as PCs on a network. Let's skip the time for some time, and we'll add in an IP to this PC. We'll add in 10.10.10.3. And there you go. We'll check if the first PC can connect to the last PC. We'll go ping the new PC, and there you go. It's interconnected. I mean, how cool is that? We can add in a switch to make our network bigger. But what if there is a PC that we want to connect to, but the PC is on another continent, another country, or another city. We can't connect them to this PC. Like they might have different IP such as 10.10.10.11.1. So, what's the solution for this? Well, the solution to this is we'll add in a new network component or a networking device called a router. A router is a device we use to interconnect different networks. So, in this case, we have two different network, right? We have this network we call network 1, and we have another network in another continent network called network. Well, no, this is a network in the other room or another floor. So this is the net. For example, we'll use this network as floor 1 network, and this is the second floor network. And to connect each of the network, we'll have to put in another networking device called a router. Let's put in this badass here. This powerful, this beautiful looking router. And we'll connect each of the switches to the router. And remember, the function of the router is to interconnect different networks. So in this case, we'll connect the network that are on the first floor to the second floor. So without further ado, let's launch the router. We'll enable them, and we'll you'll learn this in maybe later, but you don't have to think much about the configuration. I'll just put it the configuration in the config tab. So for the gigabit 0 per 0/0, we gave them the 10.10.10.1 network. Don't forget to put the link, put the interface on, and we'll give the network that connect the that are mengarah ke network to is 10.10.11. Oh yeah, I forgot. 0 and play that. So we'll set the IP for the PCs on the second network. by the way, you don't have to think much about the IP configuration or anything. I just trying to give you guys the image of how what makes up a network. You know, I hope by you guys watching this video could give you guys more of a picture of how a network actually works. And we're setting an IP in this PC. 1/80/4. What? Well, how is the IP on the first PC disappeared? Kind of odd. Is there a duplicate IP? Okay, all good. So let's go ping to the PC that are on a different network, that are on the floor, on the second floor network. 168.0. I think there's a problem to this. Oh, it uses the IP address that are used for the router. Okay, so we'll use this PC instead. No, it wasn't a big problem. And as you can see, the PCs can be connected by using this router. And yeah, so that's basically how internet works. Kind of. And yeah, I do really hope you take benefits from it, or I really do hope you find it entertaining. So yeah, thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.